In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files through Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your Gmail account. So go ahead and log in, and once you're in, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a big friendly button labeled Compose. Click on that to start drafting your new email. Next, as your email window opens up, look down at the bottom. You should see a row of icons. Among them, there's a Google Drive icon, which is usually nestled right next to the emoji icon. Go ahead and click on that Google Drive icon. This is where the magic begins. When you click the Drive icon, a new window will pop up. You'll notice it has a tab labeled Upload. Click on that to get started. Here you'll see an option that says Select Files from your device. Go ahead and click that. This will open up your computer's file explorer where you can navigate to the large file you want to send. Now, a quick note here. If your file happens to be over 25 megabytes, Google will automatically inform you that this file will be shared via a Google Drive link instead of a traditional email attachment. So if you see that message, don't worry, it's perfectly normal. It just means that your file is on its way to being shared securely via Google Drive. All right. So once you've selected your file, it's time to initiate the upload. You should see an upload button in that pop-up window. Click it, and just like that, your file will start transferring to your Google Drive. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this might take a little time, so be patient. Now, while your file is uploading, you can start to prepare the rest of your email. Think about what you want to say to your recipient. You can write your message and even add a subject line to give context about what you're sending. Once the upload is complete, and you'll know it's done because the link to the file will be automatically inserted into your email, you can take a moment to double-check everything. Make sure you've added your recipient's email address correctly and give your email a final read. After you're happy with everything, all that's left to do is hit the Send button. Just like that, your large file is on its way to your recipient via Google Drive, and they'll be able to access it using the link you provided. And there you have it. Sending large files through Google Drive is as simple as that. It's a reliable way to share important documents without worrying about size limitations that traditional email attachments often have. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.